What's up, beautiful people? You already know what time it is. When I'm standing in front of this camera, you know it's time to get busy. Hello, my name is Linda Sims. I am the Who That teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to give you step-by-step instructions. What up, guys? What's up? So instructors, this dance I'm going to teach is a great dance to teach your beginners because it teaches them some basic Chicago steps. It's the basic step. And so a lot of Chicago steppers have come, they also line dance. So when they choreograph line dances, they use that basic step. So if you've never taught your class anything with the basic Chicago step, this is a great line dance to teach them, okay? So this line dance goes way back, okay? It's called Novacane. And it's a four-wall dance, and there's one restart, okay? And I will cover that. And so let's get busy. But before I do, hold up. I need to stress you out for a minute. Check this out. Hear me out. And when I tell you, don't go past this. Hold up, let me tell you. I need y'all to do a favor for me. Stop telling people I teach too slow. Here's why. Hold up. Don't get your panties in a bunch. Hold up. Stop telling people I teach too slow. I'm not. I'm teaching at the same pace. Can you think about this? Maybe you're a better dancer. Maybe you're learning steps and picking a choreographer better. Maybe you're getting better. It's not me, it's you. It's you. It's not me. I'm teaching at the same pace. It's you. You're getting better, okay? So stop telling people she teaches too slow. Take that little needle and pull it where you need to be, okay? You're getting better, all right? But continue to bring those people over to this channel so I can keep teaching them, okay? All right, guys, let's get busy. We're going to start on this wall, okay? Stand over here. And also, if you're interested in dancing along to this, at the very end, I'll pin the line dance where it's the music and we're dancing together, okay? All right, here we go. So, I want you to stand on this side, and you're looking out in this direction. So we're going to start with a basic Chicago step, which is on the left. It's left, right, right, shuffle, left, right. So typically the left, which is one, will take you there, and four is going to bring you back home. And this is what I mean, okay? So it goes left, left, push back on the right, left, right, shuffle, left, right. So you see how I move it up? So you're not dancing in place. The basic step, which starts on the left, comes up on the left, right, left. And it goes back on the right. Push right, left, left, right. And that's important, okay? So that's your basic Chicago step. Let's do it again. And they counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, push 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this dance, Novacane, starts with a basic. Okay, the next thing they're going to do is called a kickstand. Okay, and this is how it looks. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's still the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're holding on 4, coming back on 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's the same footwork on the left, right, left. Okay? When I go up, left, right, left, my heel comes up, and they say kickstand. My heel is up. Then I come back, left, right, and I'm going to hold on one beat, come back down on left, right, then shuffle left, right. So make sure when you teach it, they do a kickstand, which the heel is up. So when they come back on that left, which is up, where the heel is up. Again, left, right, left. See how my heel is up? Come back, left, right, shuffle, left, right. So let me give you the count because I told you we're gonna hold on 4. 5, 6, 7, left. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're going to do that twice. So let's go back to the basic and do 2 kickstands. Holding on 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? All right. So far we've only done 2 things. We've done a basic and we've done a basic with a kickstand. Now we're going to do a half turn. So we're going to turn, and this dance is going to always start on the left, okay? So we do a half turn, 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right, left. Then push back on right, right, left, right, shuffle, left, right. And that's a basic with a half turn to your left, okay? Then we're going to do that again. Stepping up on left. And what I want you to do is step forward. I don't want you to turn back like this. I want you to go like you're doing a U-turn. 1, 2, 3, push back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, you're going to go forward, okay? Don't turn back, go forward. 1, 2, 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move it forward. 1, 2, 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So far we've done 3 things: a basic, a kickstand, and a half turn. 1 basic, 2 kickstands, and 2 half turns. Okay? And it brings us back to our original wall. Are you ready to put it back together? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, excuse me. So, Chicago stepping, I think, starts on 7, 8. So you might see me do a rock, recover, then go into the 1, which is on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kickstand. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kickstand. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half. 1, 2, 3. Push 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step forward. 1, 2, 3. Push 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good? So, when I first learned this step, it really took me a little while, okay? So feel free to stop and practice, okay? No problem. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, push right, left, right, shuffle left, right. Left, right, left. Left, right, left, right. 1, left, right, left. Left, right, left, right. Half. Left, right, left. Push right, left, right, left, right. Half. Left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right. Okay? Let's do it with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To your left. Half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to do 4 kicks. You're going to do 2 here, and you're going to make a quarter turn to your left, and that starts the dance over, okay? So we take on the left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Turn 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 8 was on the right. Here we do go again. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Turn 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right. Then it starts over. Basic. 5, 6, 7, and basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kickstand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shuffle 7, 8. Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tick 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Turn 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Start the dance over again. Okay? That's called Novacane. Novacane. Now, let me tell you about the restart. So, say for instance, we start at this wall. Okay? And the line dance moves counterclockwise. Okay? So when I start the dance again, I'll be at this wall and going around counterclockwise. So I do the dance here, I do the dance here, they do the dance here, and here. At this wall, and this is your first rotation, you're going to have a restart. So what you're going to do, you're going to do your basic, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to do your kickstand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kickstand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me do that again. Give me the basic. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kickstand. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kickstand. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, you're going to do a pause. The music is going to like almost stop. But you're going to do your restart, which is you're going to turn to this wall on your left and start your basic. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then go into your kickstand and continue the dance, okay? So the restart starts on the fourth wall. 1, 2, 3, 4. You do your basic and your 2 kickstand. Once you've done that, do your quarter turn to your left and start over again with your basic. Go right into it. Step on your left. 1, 2, 3, making that fourth turn. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then go into your kickstand. Okay? So, if you put the name of the line dance in, Novacane, you'll see, in fact, the creator that they created this. So make sure you check that out. Also, check out the demo. Once you come and learn these steps, dance together. Let's dance together, okay? At the end of this video, I'll pin the demo, and then also vice versa, when you look at the demo, at the end of the demo, I'll pin the instructional, okay? So you don't have to go looking for it. And if you're a subscriber, it's gonna come looking for you. So each and every time I upload a video, when you subscribe and you hit the notification button, it's gonna come and notify. It's gonna like, hey girl, you know Linda uploaded a video, right? So if you don't know how to do it and you have some grandchildren or something, they're gonna hook you up. Tell them, look, I wanna subscribe, I wanna be a subscriber on YouTube. Linda Sims with 2 M's. They're gonna hook you up, I'm telling you. Okay, so take the time to do that if you don't know how to do it. So, that's it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Make sure you subscribe and also share this video with somebody. Okay? My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.